Hello students, in this e-lecture we will continue with the topic functions. Let's discuss some more types of functions. First is one-one function or injective function. A function f mapping from A to B is said to be one-one if no two elements of set A have same image in set B. That means for all AB belongs to set A, if A is not equal to B, then FA is not equal to FB, or for all AB belongs to A, if FA is equals to FB, then A is also equals to B. A function which is not one-one is called many-one function. Let's discuss it with the help of arrow diagram. Let f be a function defined from set A to set B. As you can see, for every element of set A, there exists a distinct image in set B. So f is a one-one function. Take another arrow diagram. Let G be a function defined from set A to set B. Here we can see element A and E of set A have same image 3 in set B. So G is not a one-one function, or we can say G is a many-one function. Moving to the next type, onto function or surjective function. A function f mapping from A to B is said to be onto if for each P belongs to set B, there exists A belongs to set A such that f is equals to B. In other words, f is onto if range of function f is equals to codomain of function f. That means every element in set B has a pre-image in set A. A function which is not onto is called into function. Let's discuss it with the help of arrow diagram. Let f be a function defined from set A to set B. As you can see, every element in set B has pre-image in set A, so f is an onto function. Take another function g defined from set A to set B. In this function, elements 2 and 4 of set B don't have pre-image in set A, so g is not an onto function, or we can say g is an into function. Moving to the next type. A function which is both one-one and onto is called a bijective function. Let's define a function f from set A to set B. In this function, we can observe for every element of set A, there exists a distinct image in set B. So it is a one-one function. Also, for every element of set B, there exists a pre-image in set A. So this function is onto also. As function f is both one-one and onto, so it is a bijective function. Let's discuss some questions. Check whether the following functions are one-one and onto. First one is f mapping from n to n defined by fx equals to x square. Here, domain of the function is set n of all natural numbers and codomain of the function is also set n of all natural numbers. For one-one, let x1, x2 belongs to n and fx1 is equals to fx2. It means x1 square is equals to x2 square. This implies that x1 is equals to x2 as x1, x2 both are natural numbers. Therefore, f is 1, 1. For onto, let's find out range of the function. As fx is equals to x square, so when we take the first natural number 1, the value of y is 1 square, that is equals to 1. When we take x is equals to 2, the value of y is 2 square, that is 4. When we take x is equals to 3, the value of y is 3 square, that is equals to 9. So range is a set containing the elements 1, 4, 9 and so on, which is a subset of set n of all natural numbers. So range is not equals to codomain, therefore f is not onto. Take one more example. F is mapping from R to R defined by fx equals to x square. Here, domain of the function is set R of all real numbers and codomain of the function is also set R of all real numbers. For one-one, let x1, x2 belongs to R and fx1 is equals to fx2. It means x1 square is equals to x2 square. This implies that x1 is equals to plus minus x2, as x1 and x2 both are real numbers. So we need to write down one counterexample which doesn't satisfy the condition. As you can see, f1 and f of minus 1 both are equal to 1, but 1 is not equal to minus 1. Therefore, f is not 1, 1. For onto, let us find out range of function fx equals to x square. As y is equals to x square, for all x belongs to R, x square is always greater than or equals to 0. It implies that y is also always greater than or equals to 0. Therefore, range is a set of all real numbers greater than or equals to 0. It implies that range is not equal to codomain. Therefore, f is not onto. Take one more example. Show that f mapping R to R defined by fx equals to greatest integer x is neither 1, 1 and nor onto. When a function is not 1, 1, we need to write down one counterexample which doesn't satisfy the condition. As you can see, f of 1.2 and f of 1.5 both are equal to 1, but 1.2 is not equal to 1.5. Therefore, f is not 1, 1. For onto, let's find out range of the function. As fx is a greatest integer function, so its range is equal to set z of all integers, which is a subset of set R of all real numbers. So here, range is a subset of codomain and range is not equal to codomain. Therefore, f is not onto. Take another example. Show that f mapping from set A to set B defined by fx equals to x minus 1 upon x minus 2 is a bijective function. For bijection, we need to check that given function is 1, 1 and onto both. First check 1, 1. Let x1, x2 be any two elements of set A. Then fx1 is equals to fx2. Implies that x1 minus 1 upon x1 minus 2 equals to x2 minus 1 upon x2 minus 2. On solving this, we get x1 is equals to x2. Therefore, f is 1, 1. For onto, let's calculate range. For range, let y is equals to x minus 1 upon x minus 2. Simplify it and get x in terms of y. Here, x is equals to 1 minus 2y upon 1 minus y. Now, for all values of x, y is not equals to 1. Therefore, range of the function is equal to set R of all real numbers except 1, which is equal to set B. So, range is equals to codomain. Therefore, f is onto. As f is 1, 1 and onto both, so it is a bijective function. I hope that you all have understood about 1, 1, onto and bijective function. So to boost your concepts, try to solve this assignment. Also, you can try questions of exercise 1.2 from NCERT. Thank you.